From this video we shall learn how to solve the problems based upon time and work. So these kinds of problems will be asked during the campus selections, the companies which will come to your college during your final year, and these kind of problems will be asked in banking exams, in the various competitive exams, in NET, TET, SET, SLET, like that the various kinds of exams whatever you are going to write, in all those examinations there will be a one problem based upon time and work. So we shall see in this particular video how to solve those kind of problems by learning them in a simpler way. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Time and work, it is the widely asked topic in exam for the past many years. In whatever the exams it will be asked in the bank exams, in the railway exams, in the campus selections, the companies which will come to your college when you have been in the final year, and it will be asked in the various companies where you go for an interview. At the time of the interview they will be giving an aptitude questions, that is there will be an aptitude round. In that one these kind of questions will be asked, and these will be asked in the various government jobs exams such as FDA, SDA, and even to get certified to go for a job there will be a certain kind of exams such as NET, SET, TET, CET, like that. In all those exams there will be a questions based upon time and work. For that purpose you want to prepare, and if you are preparing for a government job or a government examination, then you need to make yourself clear with the concept of time and work. So it will benefit you to score more and more marks in your examination and to get a job. In this video we shall learn the concepts of time and work. Time is the duration during which any activity or the work happens or continues. Time is nothing but a duration during which any activity or the work will happen or continues. And what is a work? A work is a task or a set of activity to achieve certain result. It means that during that time we will be completing certain work, and that work is a task or a set of activity. Due to that a certain result we are going to get. We can define happening of an work as if a person A completes a work in X days, then the amount of work completed by him in one day will be 1 by X. Similarly, if a person B completes a work in Y days, then the amount of work completed by him in one day will be 1 divided by Y. So what we can write from the above 2 points, we can say that in one day A and B together can complete 1 by X plus 1 by Y amount of work. Thus together A and B can complete the work in XY divided by Y plus X days. How we get this one? By considering A and B together one day work. So A and B together one day work is 1 divided by X plus 1 divided by Y. So in this one XY will be the LCM. So XY will be the LCM. So 1 by X. So this in this one Y is not there. You need to multiply that one with Y. That means 1 has to be multiplied by Y. 1 into Y will be Y. The next another one term is 1 divided by Y. So this one has to be multiplied by X. So 1 into X will be X. Therefore it will be Y plus X divided by XY. So this one you need to interchange the numerator and denominator. Y plus X divided by XY, interchanging numerator and denominator, we get XY divided by Y plus X days. Or else we can also say that whatever we get y plus x divided by xy, that one you need to write as 1 divided by y plus x divided by xy. So then y plus xy will be there itself, whereas xy will come to the numerator, therefore it will be xy divided by y plus x. So instead of doing all those things, just interchange numerator and denominator. What we get when we add the A and B's work of one day, it means the values which we get for one day work, that one you need to just interchange the numerator and denominator, and that will be the number of days which is required together for A and B persons to complete the work. A can do work in 15 days and B in 20 days if they work on it together for 4 days. Then the fraction of work that is left is options 1 by 4 days, 1 by 10 days, 8 by 15 days, 7 by 15 days. The correct answer for this one is 8 by 15 days. It is the fraction of work that is left when A and B together work for 4 days. Now we shall calculate how we get 8 by 15 days. So it is a question, A can do a work in 15 days and B in 20 days. If they work on it together for 4 days, then the fraction of work that is left is A can do work in 15 days, means A's 1 day work will be 1 by 15. B can do work in 20 days, means B's 1 day work will be 1 by 20. A and B together 1 day work will be 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. So 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 will be equal to, so 15 and 20. So LCM will be 60. LCM will be 60. So 1 by 15, that means it has to be multiplied by 4 to get 60. That is 15 has to be multiplied by 4 to get 60. Therefore 1 into 4 will be 4. Then 1 by 20. So to get 60, 20 has to be multiplied by 3. Therefore 1, the numerator has to be multiplied by 3. Therefore we can write 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 is equal to, within the bracket, 4 plus 3 divided by 60. And upon simplification it will be 7 by 60. It will be 7 by 60. It is what A and B together 1 day work. And here in the question they have given, they have worked for 4 days. That means for 4 days, 4 into 7 by 60 is equal to 7 by 15, because 4 ones are 1 and 4 15s are 60. Therefore it will be 7 by 15. 4 ones are 4, 4 15s are 60. Therefore it will be 7 by 15. This is what? This is the work which has been completed by A and B together in 4 days. The question is the fraction of work which has been left. So the fraction of work which has been left is 1 minus 7 by 15. So 15 ones are 15, minus 7 whole divided by 15. 15 minus 7 will be 8. So it will be 8 divided by 15 is the work which has been left. Therefore the fraction of work which has been left is 8 divided by 15. The fraction of work which has been left is 8 by 15. And you can observe in the question they have given 7 by 15 as well as 8 by 15. So most of you will be marking 7 by 15 as the right answer, because you will stop working at the point when we get 7 by 15. But after that there is still one step, and that step is the fraction of work. It is 1 minus 7 by 15 Upon simplification, we get 8 by 15. Therefore, the answer is 8 by 15. Now, we shall solve another problem based upon time and work, and that problem is Verma can read a book in K minutes. What part of book can he read in 8 minutes? Verma can read a book in K minutes. What part of book can he read in 8 minutes? The options are 8 by K, K minus 8, K plus 8, K divided by 8, and the right answer is 8 divided by K. The right answer is 8 divided by K. How we get this answer? We shall see. Verma can read a book in K minutes. What part of book can he read in 8 minutes? The solution for this one is Verma can read a book in K minutes means part of book he can read in 1 minute is 1 by K. In 1 minute he will be able to read 1 by K part of an book. So they have asked what part of book can he read in 8 minutes. Therefore, so in 8 minutes he can read 8 into 1 by K, because in 1 minute he will be reading 1 by K part of an book. So therefore in 8 minutes he can read 8 into 1 by K part of an book. So 8 into 1 by K will be 8 by K. Therefore it is equal to 8 by K is the answer. That is 8 by K part of an book can be read by Verma in 8 minutes. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world.